Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen Mandu dumplings in the air fryer. So we're cooking them straight from frozen, no need to defrost. So we need frozen Mandu dumplings, and I have 1/4 cup of water that's already heated. I just heat it in the microwave, or you can heat it in a stove. So very hot water and frozen Mandu dumplings. And let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of hot water just straight into the air fryer. It will go through the holes and it will be inside. And now let's add Mandu dumplings. So just add frozen dumplings in a single layer. Perfect. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at that. These Mandu dumplings look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. They look so good. Now let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. It's a super simple method. I didn't use any oil, I didn't have to flip them, and they came out so good. Now let me just cut one in half so you see. So they're perfectly cooked inside. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love these dumplings, they're so good. So delicious, perfect texture. So this very top of the dumpling is crunchy, but the sides, they're actually pretty soft. And this method is unique. I used to cook them in the air fryer where I didn't use any water, and then they were like crunchy all over, but this is much better. So if you never tried this method, I do recommend. This 1/4 cup of hot water on the bottom just helps keep the dough soft, so they're the perfect texture. And if you have an air fryer, it's not a basket. If you have a shelf air fryer, you can just pour water on the bottom. So in that case, you can just use a metal little pan that fits inside the air fryer and put hot water there. So that steam will help keep them soft and moist. And they still just brown on the top. Perfect, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!